Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's step-by-step tutorial, I'll show you how to create a ShadowSocks configuration and use it with Dark Tunnel VPN. Whether you're new to VPNs or just exploring ShadowSocks, this guide will help you through the process clearly and safely. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the Google Play Store and search for Dark Tunnel VPN. Tap the app from the results and install it. Once installed, launch the app. You'll land on the Dark Tunnel home screen. Step 2. If you don't have a ShadowSocks server yet, follow these steps. Open any browser and search for UDP Custom. From the search results, visit the official website. Tap the menu icon. From the menu, select SS Servers. Now, choose your preferred server location and tap Create. On the next page, check the RECAPTCHA box and tap Generate Now. In a few seconds, your ShadowSocks server will be ready. Copy the server address, port, and password for later use. 3. Return to the Dark Tunnel home screen, tap the three dots in the top corner. Select Tunnel Type, then choose ShadowSocks. Enter the server address, port, and password into the respective fields. You can also enhance the connection. Tap the three dots again and select ShadowSocks Network Settings. Here, you can enable TLS and add SNI if required. Step 4. Once all the details are filled out, tap the Connect button. You're now securely connected using ShadowSocks with Dark Tunnel VPN. Conclusion. And that's it. You've now set up ShadowSocks VPN on your Android device using Dark Tunnel VPN. If you found this video helpful, give it a like. Share with friends. Subscribe for more VPN tutorials and tech guides. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay safe and happy browsing.